Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I will give you a quick clarification about how to score O grade in your income tax subject. Okay, either you are a regular student or a backlog student, so this video will be helpful to score those who want to score O grade in this subject. Okay, it is possible. In income tax you can score O grade, it is possible. Okay, so what are the tips, especially for the students who have prepared very well about your income tax? For them this video will be useful. Those who want to score O grade, for them only I am saying the important tips, extra tips for them. Okay, so full preparation is important. The first thing is 5 on 5 chapters you need to perfect. When you are preparing 5 on 5 units, means then only there is a chance of attempting every question in the examination. When you have attempted full paper only, we are getting a chance of to score O grade in the subject. If you are preparing only 3 units or 4 units and you are expecting O grade, it is not come, it will not come. Okay, 5 chapters you are having, 5 units you are having. In that 5 units, 5 topics you are having. 5 topics you need to learn it, especially you need to learn it, those the students who want to score O grade. So you have learned in the examination hall you need to attempt 5 long and 5 short compulsory. So some of the students, what they will do means they don't know the question and they will leave that question. Instead of leaving the question, attempt whatever you know about that specific topic. Okay, about that specific topic, if you are getting to know, just put it on the paper. Yes, when you are attempting each and every question, whether you don't know or know the question also, it will helpful to gain the marks in your final calculation. Yes, and this is the thing. And when you are attempting 12 marks theory question, means 3 sides of the answer is must and should, front, back and front. Front, back and front. When you are attempting 4 marks question, 1.5 side of the answer is must and should, and along with that flow charts, pie diagrams. Okay, pie diagrams, these are all important. See, if you are attempting theory question means, and point wise answer is important. Okay, when you are attempting theory question means, for example, agriculture question is there, agriculture income question is there. In that, what is the introduction part? Introduction, definition, what is the flow chart, what are the side points, land should be situated in India, revenue should be generated for India. Yes, like that the side points, introduction, definition, neatly you need to write it in your answer. Neat and good handwriting is not important, but your understanding, your handwriting should be understandable for everyone who is reading. As it is your digital correction, use black pen only. Okay, use only black pen for side headings, everything. And when you are attempting problematic, don't do strike offs. This is the main thing I am observing in many of the students. For example, 59 you need to write, you wrote 56. What they will do? They will do like this. Instead of doing that, this, make it a bracket and keep it that wrong. Okay, so don't don't do makeup on your paper. Okay, so here you will write, here you will strike off, here you will write, here you will strike off. Some of the students will do like this. Don't do all that. It will look ugly. When we are seeing your paper, when the people are seeing your paper, it will look like disgusting. So that time your impression will be gone. Yes. See, some of the students are well prepared in the subject, but still they don't know how to present it in your examination. So that is also a low point. These are all the things, is external activities. These are internal is your subject related 100% topic you have learned, that is in your mind. But even after learning also, if you are not putting on the paper, means it is waste of time only, no? So prepare theory question from unit number 1, income from salary, pro forma, income from house property, capital gains formulas, capital like cost of improvement, cost of acquisition formulas, income from business pro forma, profession pro forma. This the 6 topics if you are learning and keeping these points in your mind and writing your examination is definitely there is a chance of getting O grade in your income tax subject. So income tax subject is easy when you understand the concept. If you don't understand the concept, it will become your hardest subject. Compared to the advanced accounting, income tax is 99.9% is best. అడ్వాన్స్ అకౌంటింగ్తో పోల్చుకుంటే ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ అనేది అంత ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. So it's all in your hands. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the videos are available in our channel. Just go and check out it. Okay, all the very best. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.